everyone, Melissa here from More Creations, coming on today with hashtag Two Crafters, One Design, hosted by myself, More Creations, Girliest Cards, which is Gloria, and You See Why I'm a Diva, which is Lisa. Each week we bring you a theme. This week's theme is to use vellum. Next week's theme will be cover plate. So any cover plate that you have, make sure you use that and enter it into our collab. Also, we enter our projects into hashtag Satmorn Makes, which is hosted by Norwood. So I'm just going to jump right in. Today I am also using this same cover plate that I used last week. I'm just using the flower from there. And then from Erin Lee Creative, I'm using this die here. From Spellbinders, I'm using, what is this called? Arch rectangles, arch something or other. I don't see the name. Oh, Essential Arches. That's what I'm using. And I'm also using the Make-A-Wish arch labels. And then from Jaded Blossom, I am using, I don't know what the name of these. Oh, honeybee die. I'm using the honeybee die. And here goes this cute, adorable little card. I thought that went perfect. Layering up all of those background dies just turned out to be so cute on here with that cute old little honeybee. And here goes my vellum. It's right on the wing of that little bee. And then I just used 3 of those flowers, colored up the centers with Copics, and popped that on there. I just cut that in half to kind of add some extra color in the background. Still looks like I'm missing something. I probably will put a sentiment on there, but I'm not sure. It'll show in the picture if so. And then I just made that into a shape card. Love how it turned out. It's so cute. And if I didn't say so, we also enter our projects into Jillian Norwood's hashtag Satmorn Makes. Anyway, so that's all I have for you. Thanks so much for stopping by. You all have a blessed and crafty day.